Who not? Tell me who rock, who shell on the shores. You tell me who flop, who caught the.
Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm at Cannonball Cafe and I have a couple people here that you've seen before. So let's start off with Sasha. So make sure you go over to her channel. Her name will pop up somewhere here and it will also be in the description box. Since the person in front of me is on the phone, we're gonna go over to TJ. All of TJ's information will be in the description. I can't, hold on.
Like, seriously? I will send you my bill, okay?
You sound like Chad and Dwayne now. You're not getting paid, you're getting free publicity.
I'll send you my bill.
So this is TJ. His name is somewhere here and will also be in the description box along with all his realtor information. That's what I thought. Paul is on the phone, so we'll be back to Paul. Hey guys, so it's me. I'm uploading, well, I've already uploaded, so make sure you check out the video, but the tab will be up here. You already know the buzz. Right now, right? It's okay. I'm here with Sasha and Tanya. So we are, well, Sasha is editing some things for her channel, so make sure you check out her channel. And I am about to go live, so I'm trying to make my live thumbnails look much better than just a still of me sitting looking at the webcam. So I recommend that for anybody, make your live thumbnails look good if you can. So I've created it, replace it. This is what it's looking like. Chit Chat Live, which I'm about to go on right now. And this is what I'm looking like. We're at the AC Hotel. We actually came to the Starbucks, but we didn't come to the Starbucks because we didn't really buy anything. But we're doing our thing. Alright guys, so make sure you, well, we're gonna enjoy the live together. For my day ones who are always showing up first, you are gonna make an appearance, so stay tuned for your appearance. So make sure you guys say hi to the video. You guys are in my next YouTube, well, not the next YouTube video, but you will be in my YouTube video. So I'm gonna come over here. So first one is channel YouTube Gold. I do vlogs, beauty, and more. Then there is Krista. My channel is Krista Sade. I do makeup tutorial hauls and travel vlogs, and she just moved back to Jamaica from Toronto, Canada. And then I think someone else, yes, there we go. So until more people keep coming on and, you know, share your YouTube information, I'll do my best to share it on the channel from here. And we are at AC Hotel by the Starbucks, as you guys have saw before. Watch Sasha vlogging. Sorry if my hand's a bit shaky. Alright guys, so kind of flopped on the vlogging today, but I'll just throw this in one of my couple days with an S in the life. We did some editing. I got my umbrella in my bag and we're gonna go over to the plant wall, take some pictures. I'm gonna throw my bag in the car real quick. My hands are full. But yeah, that's the old AC Hotel right behind us. Yeah, and this is the plant wall. Everybody takes their little Insta pictures over here, which is very smart of AC to do. The AC Hotel, the Marriott. It's actually AC Hotels Marriott. Yeah. Oh, I almost passed the car. I need to grab my keys, so I'll be right back. All right, hi guys. This needs to be painted white. Put out there already. I'm about to make some Prego. I mean Alfredo. Let me put this up higher. How about that? How does that look? Yeah, that looks much better, doesn't it? All right, hold on. Let's do this. Beep, 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 beep. That looks so much better. All right, boom. I'm about to make some Alfredo. I just got a text message. Pew, pew. This is my leftover pasta. I've used the pasta about 3 times now. And this is all that's left. And I don't know. I think this is enough. I don't want to use all of the Alfredo tonight because I don't. So I know I didn't really vlog much today during the day, but I hope y'all like it. I think I need more water than this. I don't know. I'm gonna use all of this. Should I use all of this? I'm gonna use all of this because I don't want to make lunch tomorrow. So I'm gonna use, oh my God, that's a lot. It's really not. It's really not that much. Yeah, I don't think I need any more water than that. Oh, I forgot. Oh my God. Let me put some oil in the water. Just a little bit. Just a teeny bit. And I also forgot, where my fork at? Let me wipe this off. Oh no. Trying to get it all up in this pot. There we go, boom. Bada bing. I'm just gonna tip a little bit of salt. What the heck? I need to wipe the floor off because it's a bit, I think, some grease. Yeah, I don't need, oopsies, I shouldn't have did that. I don't need that much salt. But I do need to wipe over there because something ain't right over there. I'm gonna stir it in. Yeah. Dang, I feel like I could eat all this pasta. This is 1 serving. Girl, let me go get some more pasta. Let me wipe up the floor real quick. Yeah, like we're gonna have to pick up walls. Something about me. What you have? I think we're I'm for more lunch. Yes. Alright, I'm gonna I'm using it. Oh, alright. So I'm there's growing going. I just got up way too quick. So that's all I kind of got. I think I actually recorded a part of my couch vlog today, so I think that's why I didn't really record much. And I had class. Where's my remote?
I just finished in Target.
And I had class.
I think I need it.
So I didn't get to really vlog today. I have class tomorrow, so I really won't be vlogging that much tomorrow either. But I was at the very end of my workout and I'm like, why didn't I just record a little clip? So that was a little part of my workout. My couch is supposed to come 2 days from today. So maybe it comes on Thursday, the 2nd day, or maybe it comes Friday if they count like Wednesday, Thursday, and then it comes Friday. Or maybe they'll count Thursday as the 2nd day. I don't know. But hopefully it comes Thursday. I'm hoping on it coming Thursday. Shoot, if it can come tomorrow, then whew, that would be nice too. Actually, a man is supposed to come and check out my stove because
The oven is taking hours to preheat. It should only take 15 minutes max for your stove to preheat, especially to like 350 degrees. And my stove takes like 3 hours to preheat, like 3 literal hours, and it's still not hot. So someone's supposed to come by and check that out. So I might vlog some of that tomorrow, show y'all the process. I have warranty on the stove, so that's why. Yeah, and I'm gonna shower. I boiled some water because my kettle broke. I was trying to clean it and it literally just broke. Like it plopped off and broke. I was like, so I'm really sad. And I like the fact that I can see inside of it and clean it. I don't like the ones that you can't see inside of, because I looked in someone's kettle one time and it was like there's so much white gunk build up in there and it almost made me throw up. And I was like, I cannot. So I like the glass ones. Yeah, so I'm not gonna get anyone until I get the glass ones. But anyways, with that being said, hold on, my plant needs space. My baby needs space. I was stuck against the wall. I've been talking a lot in my vlog other than showing you guys stuff, but I was just working out. I'm gonna go shower. I boiled some water because I'm gonna make some juice, because I'm not gonna buy any more juice. I keep buying juice and they keep finishing. The only juice that I'll buy is orange juice and Pepsi. Yeah, Pepsi because my guests, but I finished it because, you know, and orange juice because of my guests, but you know, I finished that too. But I have Tang, and I'm gonna buy some other drink making things, but Tang is really nice, really nice. I'm gonna get some syrup as well and start making juice that way, because I'm trying to save money. And I was doing such a good job at it, and then these past couple weeks, girl. So hopefully next month I can bring up my trend in saving my money, like by not spending stuff. Like I feel like that's the best way that I save money, is just to not spend as much. So yeah, and it's working for me. It was working for me when I checked my bank account. I was like, ooh, is she rich? But you know, yeah, that's it. I'm rambling at this point. So make sure you like the vlog and stay tuned for tomorrow or the day after that or the day after that. But regardless, like the video and subscribe. Bye. Alright guys, so I went into the supermarket Shoppers Fair to get sea salt for my piercing, because I've been using the regular salt and I just feel like that's not helping. In fact, this one is getting a little bit swollen. You can't really see. I hope you can see. It's getting a swollen. This one is fine. Let me take this off. My hair is folding over. So I needed the real deal, you know, the real sea salt with nothing in it, just regular salt. It has yellow prussate of soda, which is an anti-tacking agent, but the main ingredient is sea salt, so that's what I need to clean my piercing. But I only went in there to get that, but then I saw that they had 2 for 1 of the cake. I don't think I showed you guys last time, but I've been buying these. I only bought 2. I only bought one, actually, one of these, and then I bought a cheesecake. But it's $325, so it's about like $1 US and some change, and it's 2 for 1. So I bought 4. Well, I bought 4, but I bought 2 because I bought 2 and I got 2 more. So this is the other one. Yeah, and then I also got the reggae burger. It's amazing. I don't like the jerk chicken one. Yeah, it doesn't taste, or the jerk beef or whatever. I don't like the way it tastes. So I love the original one, and that's what I'm gonna get from now on. I'm gonna try the seasoned beef next time and see if I like that one as well. But I know for a fact that I don't like the jerk beef one. I just don't like the taste. It tastes nice, but I personally just don't like how it tastes. So I'm gonna make this for breakfast, and yeah, I'm gonna go home because I have class that starts in about 30 minutes. So all right guys, so I'm in class. I think the last time you saw me I was showing you guys my food
the things that I bought. I'm gonna go eat one of those cakes right now actually. But now I'm in class. Don't mind the little mess on the floor, like this little thing and the little paint splatters. I'm trying to clean up the paint splatters. So if you have any recommendation, I got a what is it called? A razor to try to chip some of them. When I mop, I try to like scrub it real hard, so that helps sometimes. But I got a razor to chip up some of these off, but that's gonna take a while. We're on break and I'm gonna grab something to drink and I'm gonna grab one of my cake because my break is about to end. Yeah, but these are all my classes. I've tried to section them off, like this is just the schedule, but I have a class with book underneath, class with a book underneath, two classes, but they're by the same teacher and they follow the same topic with a book underneath. Somebody's camera or mic. I got a class with a book underneath, another class with a book underneath, but this one's is really not that much class. Two classes really, and my book. All right, anyways, this is kind of boring and I know you guys want to see some Bicana, so I'm gonna turn the camera maybe. Yeah, so I finally ordered the couch and it's supposed to come tomorrow or it's supposed to come Friday. This is my plant, which I still need to repot, but at least this time I bought the pot for it. I just need the soil, so I will be doing that before my plant starts to die. But it's not dying, it's actually growing. Let me show you. This is a new addition to our little family. This part right, the lightest, this part, this really light part, the new addition. So she's growing, she's all right. Yeah, I need to be very careful though. Anyways, I'm being a plant mom. I have some clean clothes over there that I need to get rid of, and I need to bring this suitcase because this suitcase is a suitcase full of stuff that I'm selling. I need to bring it upstairs. And then those books were sullied by the fabric stuff that was in the container. So I'm not gonna throw it out because I know I can. Dwayne said he wanted some because he only needed like top half of the book, so he was gonna cut it. And then also I remember in some of my art classes in high school, we got like clay and water and, you know, clay, that type of stuff, and we used paper and built things with it. So if anything down the line, I can recycle it instead of throwing it out, you know? Yeah, this is my hair. Couch, my couch. Okay, that was so weird. Is that gonna make the cut? I have no idea, and I'm sweating a whole heap, and you've just seen a lot of my place. My couch is coming today. That means, okay, I'm in class, but I was having some taxi issues, which I had to figure out. I'm the only one who can figure it out because I'm running the taxis. I'm the boss lady on the ground. So I'm completely distracted from class, but somebody's recording it. I'm just gonna go back over it and I'm gonna continue to listen to what's going on. I feel so bad, but I'm so grateful to whoever is recording it. Thank you so much. The couch is gonna go right here. I was expecting it tomorrow. Or Friday, so it's coming today. I'm gonna write sparkling reviews on the website. I'm going to write a whole paragraph saying this was amazing. Service, amazing. I'm so weird, guys. If you haven't seen this level of weirdness yet, welcome to my channel. My name is Bicana. Please like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. My hand is getting tired and I need to put away all these clothes, so I'm gonna do that. I need to move the suitcase ASAP. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I gotta go. Bye. Alright guys, so my couch is finally here. This is what she's looking like in the space. Yeah, so I can't wait. I wish I had a bigger carpet or rug or whatever they want to call it, so I can do what the people do when they put like half under and then some out in the coffee table. But I still need to get a TV console because my TV's right here. But oh my god, the shopping is done. I'm gonna put it down and try to get this angle down so you guys can see me. Y'all can barely see me. I'm so sorry, but I just really like it, and it fits the space, and it fits more than 3 people. It fits about like 4 people. 5 people can squeeze, but it's so nice. And I can't wait to get like switch out the pillows. And what you can actually do as well is turn that and turn that if you want to do that. But I don't. I think it just looks too monochromatic at that point. Yeah, so oh my god, I really like it. I think it's cute, and I think it's a great first couch. So I just want to thank my sister so much. I did have to put some money towards it because it was on sale when I first saw it. When I told her the price, it was a sale price. And when I went back to buy it, that's why I went all over the place, to be honest, because I didn't want to pay that much. I just put like a couple more dollars, you know, towards it. So I just want to thank my sister so much for gifting me this couch. I love it. Don't mind that. That's like the couch stuff, and then this needs to be fixed, so don't mind all this stuff. But yeah, I love it. Alright guys, so unfortunately because of the taxi issues, because the second taxi ended up having an issue as well, so I didn't get to go study. I didn't get to edit anything. I've been at the mechanic from morning, like immediately after me posting that video, I mean the previous clip. I came to the mechanic, and then I've been at the mechanic ever since, and it's after 5. I'm just disappointed. I mean, everything happens for a reason, and you know, everything happens just as it's going to happen, or would have and will happen and did happen. So there's nothing I could do but, you know, figure it out. That's my job. I have to figure it out, which I did. One taxi is resolved, the next taxi is in limbo. I just going to get some afternoon drinks. Yeah, I'm gonna get some afternoon drinks and call it a day. I've called my friend and I was like, listen, you wanna go get some drinks? Cause we're gonna get some cranberry juice, I'm going to get some Ting Smirnoff Ice, and just call it a night. And then I really want to bathe. It's been raining all day and car splash my foot. I'm just stressed, man. I like my upper lip a sweat, but this lighting is doing something for the skin. My forehead, my hairline, my hair is just not looking cute. Like, girl, what's going on? But my ears is looking real down. I really wanted to go to the jewelry place and have them look at my ear piercing, because I mean, to be honest, it kind of got on. Yeah, but just like go and use the as you can see, I'm just like go and ease myself and use the sea salt. And if I end up come back into Kingston, well, I will come back into Kingston tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is, because I'm having a little well, it's not a get together, it's just a little thing that I'll be vlogging tomorrow. I'm just gonna make this a whole weekly vlog. Let me put my mirror back, guys. Hold on, I'll be right back. Anyways, like I was trying to say, yeah,
Charged me $8,000. I walked away, looked at the receipt, and I said, wait, this not make no sense. What is my little vehicle doing with $8,000? Like, my vehicle physically cannot hold on, even on empty, my vehicle physically can't hold $8,000. Like, probably a 4,500 can fill it up on empty, literally. We go back to her and she's like, oh, I thought that's what you said and that's why I even asked you. I'm like, lady, that makes sense. I would have asked you for $8,000 look on the vehicle. Look at it. Even you and your little common sense should have said, miss, you know your vehicle can't even hold that much. Cause even on empty my vehicle can't. Just imagine now if my vehicle was at like half tank or something. Come here, say, why would I ask for $8,000? Like, does that make sense? Like, does that make sense? What am I gonna walk with the rest of the gas? That makes sense. Yeah. So we'll go back to her. Well, that's what I was telling her. I'm like, that makes sense. And she apologized. I'm already never in the mood, and I'm never sitting. No, I'm very calm when I'm tired, and when I'm aggravated, my voice is very calm. It's very creepy, but it's very like I don't get worked up. Like I have this tone in my voice. And you can tell the tone. Mommy does not like the tone because she think I'm giving her attitude and all these things. But I don't yell. I don't get loud. All those extra stuff. I don't do that. The extra shenanigans and thing. I don't do that. But I do have this tone in my voice, which I don't even like sometimes. But I'm just like, does that make sense? But anyway, so she voided the sale. So me, I gotta make sure I check my little bank account and make sure my bank account say there's something that even go through. That's all I need to hear. Go on, truck, go on, cause me's a nice person right now. But anyways, I'm gonna about my little business, yeah. Even more now than ever, I need that drink, girl. I need it, cause I need it. I don't even think Grandpa want me come country tomorrow for bring him got a bank, but I'm not even get for resolve the first vehicle because my day I run round with the second vehicle and nothing get handled. Like, honestly, I just feel like this is crazy. And it's not like I'm managing one taxi, you know, one issue happened at one time. Like 2 issues within 24 hours for the for the 2 vehicles. That just is crazy. And I look at me from the beginning of this day to now. This day was supposed to be so cute. I was supposed to edit a video, put it up. I was supposed to study. I really had the intentions to study today. I was supposed to go to Starbucks, Fontana. I was supposed to touch them places that I didn't even get to touch them. Right now I'm just sweaty and upset. And yeah, mosquito bite up my daylight. My foot, you want to see my leg. I mean, once I don't itch it, I don't get scars. Like one time I got mad scars from a mosquito. Like I think it was about 6 years ago probably. I get whole heap of scars, like whole heap of lumps on my foot. You know, fresh blood. Them time there I haven't been back to Jamaica in like a couple years. So it was like fresh blood. Whoa. At this point I'm rambling, but I'm gonna go on ramble because I don't like it sometimes. Yeah, so it was like big and all welly and all these extra things, and it was like a bit darker than my actual skin tone, so it just looked very weird and it just looked nasty. My legs looked really nasty, I'm not gonna lie. It just didn't look right. But it went away. I don't know what is it with my skin. Damn, I must got the fountain of youth in my blood or something, because it went away and nobody would ever know. Whenever I get mosquito bite or even cuts and bruises, it goes away. Like I don't really scar on my body that much. I have major scars, but I don't really scar on my body all like that. The one thing is that I have dark spots, like ingrown hair bumps. Ingrown hair bumps is the only things that can give me scars. And even with that too, over time it fade, but them always come back up, which is so annoying. It's like I win and I lose, because they always come back. But anyways, look how much story I've gone into now. This is how my mind works. I literally jump from topic to topic to topic, and I swear, like sometimes I be thinking I have ADD or ADHD, but I just don't. My mind is just weird, especially when I'm tired and aggravated. When I even eat a full meal, and before I go out and take a sip of nothing, I get some food in my system, some chicken and chips. Okay, my night is going to end off right, and that's on period. It's getting real dark. It's actually not even this dark outside. Yeah, this is looking real dark. It's not that dark. I'm gonna flip the camera. I think it's because I'm using the front facing camera. So I'm gonna flip the camera and show you guys what it actually looks like, and then I'm gonna leave it alone and go about my business and play some music and wind down my window and enjoy the fresh breeze and call it a night. Period. That actually made me feel so much better, guys. That made me feel so much better. You don't even understand. All right, I'm done. You see how bright it is outside? The front facing camera to lie. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna. I was gonna go. I would have gone straight. Not unseasoned me as a driver would have gone straight, but now I know my way around town, people. You see how bright it is? Okay, it's not this bright either, but it wasn't that dark. If you get what I'm saying, like, yeah, whatever. I don't know what I was trying to do there. Yeah, but like I said, I'm gone, guys. I'm feeling much better since now I got to rant. I really wanted to edit that video so that video can go up. I wanted to upload 2 videos today, but there goes that. Just stressed out, man. Stressing on my left breast. And I know mommy is stressed as well, because these taxis are supposed to be making money, not taking money. But that's a risk we all signed up for. And me, I'm the manager. Call the manager. I'm the manager, and they always call me. It's annoying, but I always have to answer. Even when it's random phone calls, I always have to answer because I don't know. Like, they could be calling me from somebody else's phone. Wait there. I wish about this. Me I turn yes, yeah. Oh yeah, look at me talking about seasoned driver and I know which spot me I go. I know exactly what road this is. And then if I had a friend with me, or annoying ass Chad, or Sashana, or who else would have questioned, or Dwayne, it would have been all right, which road is this? First of all, that's none of your business. But this road is Malines. Is this Malines? Am I lying, no? Don't doubt yourself, girl. It's Malines. I know for a fact. I'm 100% sure. I picked option A. Option A. This is Malines. Okay? It's Malines closer to Half a Tree, though. See? Cause the bird's there. It's Malines. I'm right. Ding, 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 ding. We've got a winner. All right, guys. I'm so tired, and I just keep talking, and I just can't shut up. I'm gonna hear this replay because what Chad been doing lately is making fun of me. He'll be telling me, he'll be quoting me. It's so annoying, especially like when I'm angry. Like, if I'm upset, he be quoting me of things I said in the video, but in a mocking way, because I can hear him through the text laughing, and it's annoying, like, to the point where I get defensive and just argue back, and I know that's his motive. That's his motive, to rile me up, which is so annoying. And then I got riled up today, and I had to text back and be like, blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. You know, I got a back step, which I hate doing as well. But anyways, I'm done, I'm tired. All right, I'm gone. Guys, wow. I hope this makes the cut. Guys, good morning. So right now I'm making lunch. I'm also gonna actually get ready to head out. This is supposed to be sitting on this side for 3 minutes, and it hasn't even been 2 minutes yet. But I don't mind this. I washed it. It's just a little, I don't know what that is. It's a little mess. What am I saying now? Yeah, I actually just finished editing a video. Let me show you guys. I edited the video and I uploaded it, but there was a copyright claim for a song, so I went back in, replaced the song, and what I'm about to do now is to re-upload it. Then I'm gonna go get ready. This is all in my get ready with me for AC lounge. I'm gonna wear heels and a nice outfit, and I'm gonna have like very affordable things on the menu because it's Corona time. The economy is not that stable, okay? Yeah. This is my couch again, and then my little my throw. And I used my pillow, and I didn't feel like changing my pillowcase, so I just put a dress over my pillow. Because I have a pillowcase that keeps bleeding. But isn't it so cute? All right, guys, I'm gonna go back to the stove before I burn this place down, and then come back to you guys when I'm getting ready. Sorry, guys, I'm super hungry. And every time I eat, these flies come around. Like, I'm sorry, I don't know why I raised my voice. I'm multitasking. I'm re-dropping the information. Uh-oh. I'm trying to paste the information back into the new video that I just uploaded. No, these flies. Let one of them land on my sandwich. And we're gonna see who real flying out here. Guys, this is going in the vlog. I don't know which vlog it's going in, but it's going in one of these vlogs. I'm in my living room right now. I'm sitting on the floor. My couch is right behind me. I'm editing. I'm so sorry if the camera's moving too fast, but I'm about to download a song from SoundCloud. Yeah, I'm about to download a song from SoundCloud. I have this girls' night video, which is loading. I have Tastama hair review, which is also loading. Yeah, and just a bunch of other stuff. I also have my couch shopping video, furniture shopping video loading. So guys, please do not judge me. This past week has been so stressful for me, but I'm trying to make it work. I'm trying to do multiple things at one time, and honestly, I just gotta get it done. That's all. Anyways, see you guys next clip. All right, good morning, guys. Oh my god, look at that. Look at my hair. Whoa. All right, so I'm about to peel. I've had this yam for a little bit now, and I don't want it to spoil. Thank God I don't think it was really completely ready yet, so it hasn't really spoiled. But I'm going to rinse it and peel it and boil it for when I'm ready. Then I'm gonna put it, when it cools down, I'm gonna put it in the Ziploc bag. I already got the water boiling on the stove, so, and I got so much dirty dishes, guys. I actually broke one of my wine glasses last night, well, this morning, and it hurt my heart so much because one, I was gonna put it, I didn't feel like getting up. I was gonna put it on the carpet, and I was like, nah. I just set it up, and then I woke up this morning, and I don't know what happened, but like I swung my hand and boom, it hit the glass. I was immediately heartbroken. There's someone outside cutting the neighbor's yard, so that's what you're hearing. And if my kitchen was clean, I would have simply just put it in the sink because that's what I normally do, or I should have just listened to my gut and put it on the carpet if I didn't really want to get up. And it broke, so now my feelings are hurt. I'm in my feelings. I'm very disappointed in myself, and I just need to get out of this trend because ever since lately I've been piling up dishes and stuff, saying, oh, I'll wash it, and then keep going, oh, I'll wash it. And look at me now, heartbroken over a broken glass, wine glass, that is. I'm so heartbroken. It makes me really sad. Y'all seeing bits and pieces of my house. Oh my god, it's my living room. Shh, don't tell anybody. I'm about to head out. I think I have my keys. Well, I can't actually show you guys outside, but look. Stay tuned for the house tour. Y'all gonna see the whole house before y'all see the house tour. I'll be right back. I need to find my keys and I gotta get out of here. All right, guys, so I'm heading to Sovereign Village right now. I'm going to get something to eat, and I have the plastic bottles that I need to get refilled with some water because tap water in Jamaica is tap water everywhere. I don't care where I'm at, even if I'm in the White House, I'm not drinking tap water. I do not trust it. I don't like it. First of all, I don't like how
200 meters, turn right.
Sorry, I don't like how tap water tastes. That's just my personal preference. If you like tap water, you like drink it, that's you. I don't like how it tastes. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get some water and get some food.
Then turn left.
Girl, what? I'm coming to a circle. Okay, hold on. I guess I gotta turn. I know where I'm going. I know where it's bringing me. I need to put it in the car already.
Who likes quinoa? I don't like quinoa. It's not for me. It's not for me. Yeah, and I'm waiting on Kai. So I was thinking I was gonna come in here and, like, you know, buy some stuff for probably like tacos or something like that. I'm not really sure. But these look really cool and they're affordable. It's hard shells though, so I'm not sure. I like soft shells. Yeah, super soft. These aren't bad at all. These aren't bad at all. Yeah, I would actually love to make taco. I looked up an ingredients. I'm about to look at the ingredients and then I'll be right back to you guys. Yeah, a whole shelf of macaroni. Sorry, today is a little bit all over the place. There's a lot of people in here and I don't want to really film anybody because I'm not trying to hear it with anybody right now. So I'll be right back. Guys, look at all the delicious wine. Probably sound like an alcoholic, but this wine selection is cute. As you guys know, my favorite is Pinot Grigio. Not the specific brand, but I love Pinot Grigio. And I also love sweet wine, like sweet white wine, but like with a reddish tint. I don't like red wine. Yeah, I don't like the bitter taste of red wine. So if you have any recommendations to any red sweet wines that I can try out, I would definitely be very into that. I'm meaning to get some new ice cream, so I think I'm gonna look at that right now. There's some Haagen-Dazs. But I don't know, guys. I don't know what I want. This Haagen-Dazs is expensive, but I used to get Talenti, and Talenti was roughly the same size as the Haagen-Dazs, but it was so much better. If you've ever had Talenti ice cream, leave a comment down below and let me know. Also, let me know which one is your favorite. Alrighty. Guys, so I'm driving back home now. Kai should have pulled out of Sovereign by now, and there's so much traffic to get over here. There's a lot of traffic to leave, but traffic leaving is much smoother than coming, as you can see. But I got the drinks and Kai is holding on to the food. I'm not about to. Okay, yeah, so I think we should film a little mukbang, but she got Jackson, so I don't know how that's gonna work because he's very active and he screams a lot, so I don't know how that's gonna go. It would be very fun though. But girl, I think we're just gonna put on a movie and eat some food and just chill, and maybe next time we can figure out how we're going to record because it's also getting dark. But I think she brought her ring light, which I also got a tripod and a ring light, so hopefully, well, mine is gonna come when mommy send the next shipment. I got mine from Amazon. Make sure you click the link down in the description box. I fixed it, my Amazon storefront, so you can shop my camera, you can shop the ring light that I purchased and some home decor stuff that I purchased. There's also some things that I didn't purchase, but things that I would. I looked at the quality and, you know, the price point, and I feel like they're very affordable. So yeah, I hope y'all like. I'm gonna turn this camera around real quick, but I'm gonna call Kai first just to make sure she's following behind me because I don't think she knows this way, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. I'm just using this to dry it off. I had it in this container. I've already defrosted it so it's room temperature. And yeah, I'm gonna get another layer of napkin. I could put it on a plate, but
This is fine. I'm gonna wipe off the counter and everything after. I hope you can see. Yeah, so that's, yeah, you can more than see. I'm about to cook me some steak. I'm gonna put a weekly vlog together, so if the vlog is all over the place, then girl, I wasn't doing anything all day. So yeah, it's dry. I'm about to season it now. I'm gonna actually get a plate. Oh, there's so much going on. I get. So let's see, yeah, because you won't be able to see it inside. So what I got is some black pepper. I'm gonna put some chicken seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning I should say, on it because I want to. I'm also gonna put some paprika on it because I want to. If you have recommendations, then let me know, like seasoning recommendations or cooking recommendations, let me know. But don't say, oh, you shouldn't do it like that, because if I want to do it how I want to do it, that's just how I want to do it, right? What I'm also going to do is put 2 garlic cloves. I'm going to mash them up and put them in the pot when the pot is heating up. So let me get my knife. I just washed. I'm going to do these first. Let me wash them off. Use the back of the knife. Dang. I have a jar, but I'm not gonna use it. And just crush it up. You just need to open it up, that's it. What I will do is turn on the stove because I just washed the skillet. On this, actually, I don't need it. So I'm gonna wash my garlic fingers, my steak fingers off of it. Yeah. I'm just gonna throw some black pepper on it. I'm gonna be heavy-handed because I'm gonna be heavy-handed. Oh, that was really heavy. Let me see. Oof, that looks real heavy. That looks real heavy, doesn't it? But guess what? My chicken about to taste fire. I'll put some paprika, but I'm gonna be careful with the paprika because a lot will come out. Ooh, girl. Ooh, the steak's gonna taste nice. I'm also, I don't have any olive oil. I will get olive oil later. I just don't have any olive oil now. So I'm using vegetable oil. Ooh. I'm gonna rub that in. I'm gonna put some salt. I'm gonna use my other hand. Ooh. Beat that steak. I'm just kidding. This is for the one side. I'm gonna rub in. Now I'm gonna flip it and put it in the plastic container because then the paper towel, I feel like, will soak up what I just rubbed in. I'm gonna grab my other hand, my clean hand, and I'm gonna open my salt. This is sea salt, by the way. I only put a little bit because I don't really cook with salt. This is what one side is looking like. I hope you can see that. Yes. So I'm gonna flip it in the container. So this is before. Hold on, I gotta get out of the light. This is before. This is after. So I'm gonna do the other side now. Let me get rid of this. Like I said, I'm gonna wipe up my counter with some bleach. Let me get out of the light. Put it back actually. Woo! It's not focused, hold on. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. What? I'm gonna go lower. It's not touching the counter. Oh, if you're a vegetarian, I'm sorry. I'm not. All right, so that's that. Wash my hands. Get under my nails. Get some salt. Salt, not salt, soup on my hands. trying to focus. There we go. Ooh! Can I? Oh my god, this is about to be so delicious. All right, I'll be right back. This is the first time I'm cooking steak, so obviously mine burnt a little bit around the edges, but I don't want mine to be bloody. That's not who I'm about. I need to get something to clean this off better. I need like some Scotch-Brite, but it's clean, trust me, it's clean. Except for now, like, but I'm only letting it sit on the other side for 2 minutes. I let it sit on the first side for 4. But I'm gonna let it sit on the other side for 2 minutes, and then going forth, I'm gonna let it sit on each side for like 2.5 minutes when I do it again. So I don't need to hear it in the comments, but I don't like mine bloody. That's not what I'm about. But I don't like it hard either. I like it in medium rare, I think is what it's called. So yeah. And then I'm making some rice. My stove is really messy because this morning I fried a bunch of stuff, but I'm gonna clean it after this. But I need to go put my butter in here, and then I'm bringing it to a boil. So once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna turn it all the way down to low and let it simmer, and then put the lid on. Yeah, so I'll be back.
S play on the track.